Hi, it's Rebecca. And I just wanted to share with you some of the things I'll be touching on in my upcoming free webinar. I love to teach people the art of creative visualization, how to pray effectively, how to meditate. And that's what I'll be touching on in this free webinar that's coming up. You'll be able to get some real insights into how these techniques work effectively so that you too can manifest, maybe heal yourself, and just get that inner peace that you need in order to be happy living in this three-dimensional world. So I'll also have a time when you can ask me some questions. If you have something that you'd like to get more insight into, maybe I can help you. So I hope you'll join me at my free webinar that's coming up. Just sign up for it, and I'll see you there.